think of it like a Kelly Blue Book, but instead of for cars, it's for CNC equipment. It's very simple, it's free to use. You just put in year, make, and model, and it'll give you a market-driven idea of what your machine would go for. Our goal is to help manufacturers upgrade their technology. So.
Hey, I'm Steve Plumb, Editor-in-Chief of SME Media. I'm here today with Nick Carpenter, CNC Machines salesperson.
Yes, sir.
And we are at Greenville, Manufacturing Technology Series Southeast. The last day, you've been at MT Series East and West.
Yes, sir.
So 3 events. Tell us about what you have going on here.
Yeah, so CNCMachines.com. We're here debuting our price guide. So think of it like a Kelly Blue Book, but instead of for cars, it's for CNC equipment. It's very simple, it's free to use. You just put in year, make, and model, and it'll give you a market-driven idea of what your machine would go for. Our goal is to help manufacturers upgrade their technology.
So you deal with hundreds of different machines in your catalog.
Yes, sir.
And even more different models. Any trends that you're seeing with the pricing?
Yeah, so with the price guide, what we're seeing is that people are selling their machines quicker, within 30 days or under, because they're getting a better idea of what it's actually worth versus being scared of, oh my gosh, I don't want to get ripped off, let me price it high and see what we can do. So yeah.
And what kind of upgrades are they looking for?
A lot of guys are either looking to get the same model machine and get it newer, or they're looking to transition and get more capacity than what their current machine lineup has.
What are some of the interesting trends you've seen in CNC machines in terms of efficiency, capacity, automation?
Yeah, so Y-axis is something that everyone, it's not really an option anymore. Most people are just Y-axis only.
Yeah.
So.
All right. So, and you also have this Wheel of Destiny, or the spinner.
Yeah, that's what it's been coined by everyone looking to spin it. So.
And you introduced this year.
Yes, sir.
A lot of different prizes.
Yes, sir.
How many prizes do you think you've given away?
Thousands.
And one of the top prizes is the Kennametal tool set.
Yeah. So we partnered with Kennametal, and it's a tooling kit. It's got about $300 worth of Kennametal tooling in it. So that's the grand prize.
So can I spin it?
Hey, let's give it a shot.
All right.
Hey, look at that. You got a hat.
Not the big hat, though.
No, not the big one. Not the big one. There you are, sir.
All right, thanks.